Hi, so today I'm just going to do random things. Basically two things. Ask you a few questions and strengthen my lathe with this piece of aluminium or aluminum, either one, same thing. But I'll just show you. Let's just show you. So, over here I have had a boo-boo. I was moving my lathe and the leg decided to buckle inwards, so instead of it buckling, it went in that way, right? And it's left this big of a bit of a bump there, if you can see that, alright? And you can't see because I don't have no light and you're upside down. Anyway, there's a bump there. So I need to try and fix that. Basically just put this on the inside. You can't really see, but in here, in there, in the bracket, in there, you can't really see it. But anyway, let's just do it. Okay, well you can see now. So the idea is I take this piece of aluminium or aluminum or aluminium, either one, they're the same thing. Basically, take this little shelf out, take those bolts out, slide the aluminium in, do them up, and then either put some pot rivets through it or some bolts. So yeah, I've already gone through it once, but I'm just going through it again, just to make it more clear so that you can see. It's on. The problem is, well, I haven't got rid of all these dents yet. There's still this bow there where all the paint's chipped. It looks bigger on camera, but it's not actually that big. Like it's quite small. But yeah, I think put a rivet in, and yeah, just put a rivet in. And just see what happens. First things first, it's starting to rain, and yeah, I can hear it on the roof. Can you hear it? Yeah, it's not. Just do it. It's raining. It's raining. Anyway. Rivets. I think these are I think you may go with this one if you focus. Well, this one. This is. I don't. Where are we? Yeah. Maybe that one. What's the thickness like here? This is hard holding the. So hard. Hold on. Let me just come around. Chisels. Yeah, that's not big enough. Bigger ones. Okay, do we go with these ones? I think they're too small. Yeah, they're too small. Ow. How about just big ones? Yeah, let's go with these ones. Good, these ones. This one. Pick a few out. Okay, good. We'll take them. Yeah, that looks about the right size. Hold on. Oh. Jesus is hard. You know, I'm just gonna put you down and we'll just leave it. Okay, well, okay, I've done one squeeze and you see it? I don't know. It's basically just mushroomed. And you there. It's mushroomed over. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep squeezing and try and pull that in. It's removing the dent. Okay. That dent is nearly gone. So now I can just try and squeeze a little bit. Till it pops like that. Then get a little pin that is probably stuck in here. Yeah, it's stuck in there. So there's a little pin inside there. Now I'm going to take the whole thing apart and get the pin out, which I've literally just done this morning. But let's remove the dent. Okay, that's what I'm aiming for. Okay, fix the gun. I have put another rivet in because I can't be bothered to record it, and it's really hard. Drill the hole, put it in. Seems to be a different rivet, but I'll get you in there. There we go. Doesn't look too bad. They are different rivets. This is the one that you saw. This is the one that I just put in. But it seems pretty sturdy. Yes, there's still a bow in it. You can see there's a gap there, but I'm not really gonna bother. It's strengthened it. It seems pretty sturdy, so yeah, I'm gonna go with it. thanks for watching, but I'm not finished yet. I'm not, and I need you to help me. So I have a bit of a storage problem. Right? I've got so much stuff, like sandpaper. No, that's not sandpaper. That's my job. Sandpaper. This is. I know it doesn't look like sandpaper, but there is loads of sandpaper in here, and I've got lots of it, and all of this stuff. Right. But then I've got loads of drill bits, obviously, and forcing bits. No, back there. Okay, I've got loads of forcing bits and spanners and other stuff, right? I'm thinking of putting drawers in. I've also got loads of screws down there for the face plate, but I'm thinking of putting drawers in here somewhere, like probably over here, under here for drill bits and sandpaper and stuff. I'm thinking of drawers because it's convenient and they're drawers. But I also want to stop all this sawdust from getting in here, because it's really annoying having to clear it, which I don't, because I just give up. So, well, I need your help of storage solutions, because it's not very practical. So, write down in the comments, what do you think I should do? Drawers, cupboards, what do I do? I'm open for your ideas. And maybe you'll get a shout out if, you know, I choose you. So, yeah. Well, thanks for watching this video of randomness, of basically me fixing my lathe. So, I don't think this is going to be a long video, it'll probably be 5 minutes. I don't know, probably. But thanks for watching anyway. Leave your suggestions down there in the comments. So I want to know. I want to know what you think. I want to know what you think. And, well, no, not what you think. What you think I should do about where I should put my stuff in. Should I put drawers or something, or cupboards? But I want to stop sawdust from getting in there because it's really annoying. And it doesn't look good. So, I'm open to suggestions. Okay? Like, subscribe, comments down there. Just do something. Make me happy, entertained. Subscribe, because, you know, be the 13th or 14th or whatever to subscribe. And like, because, you know, see you next time.